Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Poco F2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first you have to click on the camera button here, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so to get access to the mirror effect we have to change the camera from the back camera to the front camera, and we can do it by tapping on this button here. So hi, and now let's go to the more advanced settings, so we can tap on this button at the right corner here, and from here we go to the settings at the left corner, and by tapping on this we get access to the more advanced camera settings. And when we slide down to the general settings, we have at the third position here the mirror front camera option, so we can turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.